When the power goes out in the dark of night, it's impossible to find your only flashlight. But what if every time the power went out, your lights could automatically turn back on? Well, now they can with BetterBulb, the new emergency LED light bulb that comes on when the power goes out. The secret is the internal battery that charges while the power is on. When power is interrupted, the auto-detect sensor activates the battery and the light comes back on and stays bright for up to 8 hours. Never be in the dark again! Now you'll have an instant backup light when you need it most. Watch, we put BetterBulb in this standard lamp and switched it on. When we unplug it, the light automatically comes back on and stays on for up to 8 hours, or until you switch it off. Need more light? Switch it back on, all while it's still unplugged. Amazing! BetterBulb is cool to the touch, so easily move it from lamp to lamp. Plus, the durable design is shatterproof and weatherproof. So when there's a power outage, keep your house lit outside while the neighbors are left in the dark. Or next time there's a storm and you lose power, put one in the bedroom and you have light for hours. Even the living room alongside your favorite chair. Or on the landing for help walking up the stairs. And it's perfect for the basement to find the breaker switch. Or upstairs in the kitchen when making a sandwich. Depend on BetterBulb for your safety and security. LED bulbs are guaranteed to last a lifetime. It even has a handy hook so you can hang it anywhere. Yours free. But